Most focus tips you see on YouTube don't actually fix your attention span. They're just band-aids. That's why a week later, you're searching for more tips again. So in this video, let's talk about the cure, how to actually rebuild your focus for life. Think of focus like learning to drive. At first, you rely on GPS, reminders, even someone sitting next to you telling you what to do. But over time, you don't need any of that. You just know the road. It's the same with attention. Timers and apps can help at the start, but the real goal is to reach a point where focus comes naturally, without those crutches. Here's the reality. If you're not actively building your attention span, someone else is breaking it down for you. Social media feeds, constant pings, billion-dollar apps, they're all designed to steal your focus. And the longer you let them, the harder it gets to take your focus back. In the short term, techniques can help. But they only work if they follow two simple rules. First, deep work. Focus on a single specific task instead of splitting your attention. Second, front load. Prepare in advance, clear the space, set up the tools, remove distractions. Do this, and when it's time to work, you won't need willpower to start. You'll just begin. But the real cure is training your focus, like a muscle. It needs practice, not hacks. Start simple. Focus on your breath. Your mind will wander. Perfect. Every time you bring it back, that's one rep. Do this for 10 minutes a day, and soon, focus won't be something you chase. It'll be something you own. So remember, tips are temporary. If you want lasting focus, combine short-term deep work strategies with long-term focus training. That way, your attention span won't just survive, it will grow stronger for life. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple life hacks.